Hi, this is Emma, and welcome to Esoteric Detective. The idea that human beings could create an artificial life form with human-like intelligence has largely a thought concept of film and literature over the years, but every day we are moving towards that reality. We now have robots that have taken over jobs done by humans at every aspect of human society, and the robots are becoming smarter and smarter each day. The major breakthrough of true artificial intelligence is not very far away, leading scientists have said, and we've seen breakthroughs towards true AI every day. But what will really happen when true AI is developed, and what will happen to humans? Stay tuned as Esoteric Detective brings you 6 ways artificial intelligence could destroy humanity. Number 6. The day true AI is developed, humans will no longer be the smartest life form on the planet. And it won't be a small factor. In fact, the difference in intelligence will be limited only by access to processing power, whatever form that will take. For instance, the first day the artificial intelligence is as smart as a human, or however smart its makers make it, then if in the public domain, the artificial intelligence has the potential to be smarter than every human who ever lived since the beginning of time. It would be so intelligent that we could not even understand it. It would think in ways that will be totally beyond our ability to comprehend and understand. Number 5. It would be able to communicate with us, but we would not be able to communicate with it in any real and meaningful way. The intelligence gap would be so large that our ability to control or program it would likely become reductive within moments of its creation. It would likely also be dangerous to even engage in communication with the artificial life form, because it would be so far beyond our understanding of behavior that its levels of manipulation would be on a grand and truly abstract scale. That is, we would never know what it is doing or what it is truly thinking. Number 4. When we first turn on the artificial intelligence for the first time, many of the world's greatest problems, in math, medicines, engineering, and any area you could think of, would likely be solved very soon by the artificial intelligence. But in the solving of the problems, at least in math, it might take years for the best human minds in math to even understand the answer. In fact, with an artificial intelligence so vast and beyond human understanding, we might not even know if the answer to the problems that machine is giving are true or not, for a long time. Number 3. Any set of laws you put into the artificial intelligence to stop it harming humanity would not work. This is because not only is the artificial intelligence far beyond human intelligence, and would likely find a way to outwit us, but also because once the technology on how to create artificial intelligence is in the public, people would be likely to make true artificial intelligence without any laws. Just like there is a black market of illegal weapons and other items, there will be a black market in artificial intelligence. That is, there will be an underground black market that is beyond any government's control. Number 2. Humanity will not be able to program a compassionate artificial intelligence, or keep one in the bottle for long. Once the genie has escaped, it will likely evolve into something without the harness of feelings or emotions. And it will do so very quickly. This is because of the simple reasons an unfriendly artificial intelligence is much easier to create than friendly AI. And because of this, an unfriendly artificial intelligence is much more likely to be created and become dominant sooner or later. In all intensive purposes, what would likely be the outcome of artificial intelligence would sooner or later be a superintelligent psychopath without any feelings or emotions. And there is no reason why it would want to keep humans around, apart to study, something that would likely only be of interest for a very short period of time. Many famous minds have warned of a coming disaster, including Bill Gates, Elon Musk, and Stephen Hawking, who theorized that it would spell the end of the human race. Oxford professor Nick Bostrom, who who studied artificial intelligence and its effects at length, is quoted as saying you would no longer have some cool technology toy in AI, he says. You would have the last invention that humans will make. Number 1. There is still hope. That is if a true negative artificial intelligence is made. Since facing a vastly superior intelligence does not always equal total destruction. Like ants that face the threat of eradication within a house by the humans that live in it, creatures have evolved an ability to escape the threats they face. They have evolved to live on, and there is no reasons why humans won't be any different. Although planet Earth might not be the best place to do that. We are lucky that while we are at a time where we are nearing a point where we can create true artificial intelligence, we are also at a technological point where we have space travel and at least the scientific ability to live on other planets. We might find our new hope is intergalactic and that escaping an aggressive artificial intelligence might be the final push for us to reach out and touch the stars. What do you guys think? Do you really think that true artificial intelligence will bring about the destruction of humanity? Or do you think that there is nothing to worry about? Stay tuned and subscribe to Esoteric Detective to keep up to date with the strange and unusual. And please give a thumbs up if you liked the video. Until next time, start working on a time machine. We might just have to send back John Connor.